Here we are with the classic club sandwich. It's delicious. Look how huge it is, you all. This was a lot of fun to make. You want to try to make this with me? It's easy. You ready? What do we say, guys? Let's cook with ease. Come on, let's do this. Here we go. All right, now let's put this classic club sandwich together. This is going to be the bottom. So you decide how much mayo you like on your sandwich. You know what we say, there are no rules. Make it how you want it. All right, so this is going to be the bottom. Let's start with turkey. This is smoked turkey. And let's put some ham. Bacon. Let's put some cheese. How about 2 pieces? How about that? And then our tomato. Lettuce. Now, this is the middle piece of bread. Now the middle gets mayo on both sides because it's in the middle. Then we're going to repeat. Turkey. Then ham. This is going to be huge. It's going to be fun to share this. And then put some bacon. Ooh. And our tomatoes. Oh my gosh. How about 2 tomatoes? Ooh, this thing is big. We have 1 more piece of bread to go. This is our classic club sandwich. Ooh! Now after our classic club, we're going to have a BLT. So I'm doing 3 different types of sandwiches, but similar. I think I like, let me see, this one better. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this sandwich. Look at this. Okay, now we have to cut it. Put some toothpicks in here to make sure that it stays. Okay, let me turn this around. This way. Here we go. Look. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna make this beautiful. This one doesn't want to stay. I'll fix it. Make this pretty for you. I will be right back. All right, now this is our classic BLT. Now everybody you can substitute turkey, bacon, applewood, thick cut, thin cut, no rules, however you like it. So just wanted to have some fun making some of these sandwiches. These are some of my favorites. All right. Some lettuce down on the bread. Let's see what's some good tomatoes. Bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches are classics. Let's see. That's a good one. I'll use that one. I'll put salt. Pepper. Our bacon. How many of you love bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches? I might as well use all of this, right? There we go. Yum, yum. Okay. This is a toasted whole grain. Look at that. I should put another tomato in there. Let me see. This will fit. Because every bite, yeah, and every bite you want to bite everything. Look at that. Oh, that's good. All right, you know what's next? I'm going to plate this up for you. Now here is our classic BLT. Our classic bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. Now really, when is the last time you've had a BLT sandwich? You all ready to make this? Yes. Come on, let's go.